In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Grammarly Pro in just a few simple steps. This process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through it to ensure everything is crystal clear. Grammarly Pro is an excellent tool for enhancing your writing with advanced features that aren't available in the free version, so taking this step can really elevate the quality of your work. To get started, you'll first want to go to the Grammarly website. You can simply open your web browser and type in the Grammarly URL, or do a quick Google search if you're not sure of the address. Once you land on the Grammarly homepage, you'll notice various options available, but our focus today will be on upgrading to the Pro version. Now you'll want to look for the Get Pro button. This is usually prominently displayed on the site. Clicking this button will lead you to the different subscription plans that Grammarly offers. They typically provide a range of choices depending on how long you'd like your subscription to last. There might be monthly, quarterly, or even annual plans, each with its own pricing. Take a look through these options and consider which plan best fits your needs. If you're someone who expects to use Grammarly on an ongoing basis, an annual plan can offer significant savings compared to monthly billing. Once you've decided on the plan that suits you, it's time to select it. After you've made your selection, you'll usually be directed to a secure page where you can enter your payment details. It's important to make sure you're on a secure network and that the URL begins with HTTPS to protect your financial information. Enter the necessary details carefully, ensuring everything is correct, and then submit the information to process your payment. And there you have it, you're all set. Once the payment transaction is complete, you should have access to all the features that Grammarly Pro offers. From advanced grammar checks to vocabulary enhancement suggestions, you can now further improve your writing with the tools and insights provided exclusively to Pro users. You may receive a confirmation email, so be sure to check your inbox as well as your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there by mistake. Remember, the transition from a free to a Pro account can make a significant difference in the clarity and effectiveness of your communication. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in assisting you through the upgrade process. Enjoy using your new Pro tools and happy writing.